Things around you are changing. You may be a leading automation vendor, OEM, machine builder, system integrator, or an end user in your space. But for you to maintain your leadership position and stay ahead of competition in this fourth industrialized world, you must find new ways to deliver new value to your customers by leveraging Industry 4.0 standards and technologies. Most of our customers we meet ask when, where, and how to start. It depends on the stage you are in our 8-stage technology adoption framework. 1. Start by identifying potential threats to your existing business model. Identify opportunities for new business models. Document existing and future use cases. And simplify the problem. 2. Streamline your existing product, process, workforce, and technology. This may include identifying missing links in existing product or processes. 3. Identify relevant standards for your products or service. Start building know-how within your organization. If you have identified the right standards, then you have significantly simplified your road ahead. 4. Prototype use cases and evaluate technologies while iterating to keep things simple. Industry 4.0 is not only for big giants in the industry, and adopting to it is not so hard. We have expertise and solutions to make it simple to start with, and scalable as your business grows. We help you in growing your business, to make more profits and be the leader in fourth industrialized world. We can help you at any stage of Industry 4.0 technology adoption. We can help you identify, streamline, standardize and prototype. We can also help you architect the entire solution, productize, certify and deploy. So, which stage are you in? Industry 4.0 is about disruption. It's time to start a strategic business unit that functions like a startup in your organization. The goal of this startup is to figure out new business model, to disrupt from within, and to generate more value to you and your customers. Also, it may be a better idea to disrupt from within than getting disrupted from outside.